Okay, so here we go. I've taken the mower, the powered by Segway, Navimow I-Series, quarter acre. I don't have a quarter acre of land, but I wanted this bigger one because usually the battery is bigger and it has a bit more power, the bigger ones. So now I'm gonna go through the box and unbox it, and you'll tell me, you'll see all that comes in the box, and then I'll pause and I'll unbox the garage, and then whatever's in that little envelope.